So, you want to get started with Google Gemini? Well, here's a quick guide to show you how.
All right, let's just jump right in. We'll get you up and running in under 4 minutes.
First up, what even is Gemini? Basically, it's like a super smart assistant for almost anything. Yeah, it can do a ton, from writing poems to breaking down complicated data for you.
Getting started is super easy. Just head over to the Gemini website and log in.
The easiest way to start? Just type whatever you want into that little message box.
You can even use images. Just click the Add Files icon and upload one to analyze.
And if you'd rather talk, just hit the microphone icon and say what you need.
Okay, so once Gemini gives you an answer, you've got a few options.
If you like what it came up with, give it a thumbs up. That helps it learn.
And if it's not so great, hit the thumbs down. That feedback is super important.
Didn't quite nail it? Just click the redo icon, and it'll try that prompt again.
Want to show someone an answer? The share icon creates a public link for you.
And to grab just the text, the copy icon is your best friend. Super quick.
Now this is huge. Always fact check. The More menu lets you double check with Google search.
Okay, here's a cool trick. You can chat right from your Chrome address bar.
And on your phone, there's Gemini Live. It's like having a real spoken conversation back and forth.
But here's where things get really interesting, connecting it to all your other Google apps.
It's simple. You just type then the app name to search your Gmail, Drive, you name it.
So yeah, it can pull info from all these different apps right inside the chat.
And it's not all work. Gemini can be super creative, generating images, videos, even audio summaries.